Do you have a 2007 Washington quarter that's worth a lot of money? In this video, I'm going to go over some coins that sold for a good amount of money that you definitely don't want to be spending because it could be worth a lot more money than just 25 cents. So let's hop into this video. If you look on the front of the coin under the motto there of "In God We Trust," you will see a small little mint mark, either a D mint mark standing for the Denver Mint, a P mint mark standing for the Philadelphia Mint, or an S mint mark standing for the San Francisco Mint. A lot of the time, San Francisco minted coins will be a proof coin. It's also important to know that if you have one of these coins, the chances of you having one that's really rare and valuable is slim, and getting it graded really is not going to be worth it in my opinion. And this is why. So a 2007 P Washington quarter in a 67 grade, remember the highest grade we can get in grading is 70, that's going to be worth about $75. The 2007 D is going to be worth about 110, but in a 68 grade, the 2007 P jumps up to 2,150, and the 2000 D in a 68 grade jumps up to 2,850. Here's the reality. To get that high of a grade is extremely rare and it is very unlikely, so I suggest not doing that. But you can see how big that gap is between $110 and $2,850 just because of one little grade difference on the coin. Here's a pretty neat one. So this is a 2007 D coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 62 with a mint error on it. So this was struck on a defective planchet. This coin weighs 5.3 grams and it sold for $132. A really cool coin there. Now this is a 2007 S Washington quarter graded by PCGS, a proof 70. So this hits the perfect grade of 70, which is really hard to do. And even if it hit that perfect grade, this coin only sold for $207, which honestly is a lot of money. But in the reality, after all the time, effort, and everything put into getting the coin graded, is it really worth it? Unless you're just collecting the coin, then I think it's absolutely worth doing. This coin sold for $1,265. So this is an undated Washington statehood quarter, obverse die cap graded by NGC and mint state 66. So if you flip the coin over, we have no idea what this coin is, but we do know it's a Washington quarter with a really significant mint error. If you ever come across a quarter like this, make sure you hold on to it because it could be worth a lot of money, just like this coin that sold for $1,265. Hit that subscribe button or let us help out with YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you in the next video.